Hello traders, and welcome back to your Q's analysis class here tonight on Monday, June 25th of 2012. And hope you all had a wonderful weekend with friends and family. And it was really hot here in Indiana, so we just really enjoyed it. And now we are back to work. Hope all of you are back to work and back in the game and ready to do some technical analysis here with me. So let's take a look at our chart and see what happened here today and for the past couple of days here. As you remember, that low doji at resistance that we talked about here few days ago, last week on June 20th, and that low breakout above the 50-day moving average, which you see here in that red color, and we're breaking above it, forming that little doji at resistance, coming back down, crashing back down, actually breaking through all major areas of support on our way down here, closing the day below all three moving averages, the 50-day here, and then the 8, which is here in green, and then the pink moving average that you see below the 8. That is very important because we crashed back down, closing the day below all major areas of support and also below those three moving averages, which is a significant sign right here. And then with the MACD confirmation, the MACD started to go down here. The volume was not really impressive, but as you can see, we were trying to go back up above those moving averages right there the next day, but we could not sustain that high and we crashed back down, heading lower towards the next area of support that you see here on my chart, which we are approaching here at 61.68. That is a significant area of support that I want you to pay close attention to, okay? I cannot stress it enough how important it is. So pay close attention to the 61.68 tomorrow. And then also this upper area of resistance right here, the 63.50 mark, which you can see right here. So that is another area that I want you to pay close attention to and put a trend line on your chart to make sure that you see it if we ever get closer and closer to it. So that is the two areas of support down here, 61.68, and then resistance 63.50. Those two are very important for you to pay close attention to tomorrow and the rest of this week. And the next one would be the 60.67 mark, which is another very important areas of support that you should pay close attention to because it is right tiny above the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue. All right, so those areas of support and resistance are significant areas that I need you to pay close attention to. And then the next thing that we need to watch is the MACD. As you can see, we are pointing lower on the MACD, which means that the MACD is beautifully confirming that down move that we see happening on the chart. So we are definitely heading down on the MACD, getting ready to cross back below the zero line into a bearish territory. So pay close attention to that low guy and make sure it's going in the right direction and it's confirming everything we see happening on the chart. And then volume, not very impressive, lighter than the previous bars. So we're trading on kind of small volume right here, light volume, nothing significant. But the most important thing for you would be those areas of support and resistance, 63.50, 61.68, and then 60.67, and the MACD, of course, which is our friend. Hope you're friends with the MACD already. If not, become friends with it, okay? Because that's really, really fun. But anyways, yeah, that's all that I have for you for today. Safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back in class tomorrow.